What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding jackets. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Miller Electric Welding Jacket. Miller Electric is a well-known brand for manufacturing best welding jackets. This 2,241,909 welding jacket comes with a composition of 88% cotton and 12% nylon that offers lightweight, durability, and high level of protection while welding. It is considered as the best jacket for hot weathers. The combination of these materials will make it perfect to wear over the summer clothes without make you feel hot or uncomfortable. It allows you to have a continuous working with great ease and comfort without any breaks. The high neck collar and good arm fit up to wrists will protect you from the fire heat sparks while welding. The material of this coat won't protect while working with highly intense sparks and may damage the jacket but won't the body. It comes with features like high stand-up collar, snug fit wrists and interior pocket to store all the must-have stuff. Number 2. Black Stallion Welding Jacket. The Black Stallion is one of the best manufacturers of high-quality welding jackets in the market. This FN930C model comes with all essential features and better construction that helps the welder to use it more comfortably. It is made with 9 ounces flame-resistant (FR) breathable cotton that makes it lightweight, durable and flexible to wear and move around. The welder's collar will provide an enhanced neck protection. The 6 convenient snap buttons that includes collar button will comes with leather reinforcement. The scribe pocket will hold welding pencils, paint makers and soapstone, whereas the inside pocket to hold and secure small items safely while welding. Number 3. Lincoln Electric Welding Jacket. The Lincoln Electric is leading manufacturer of welding equipment like personal protective equipment, PPE. This K31062XL welding jacket is an excellent jacket that comes with durable full leather sleeves, which is made with high-grade split cowhide to provide protection against the heat, sparks and spatter. It allows free-flowing arm movement, along with withstanding the heavy friction and abrasion not done by cotton sleeve jacket. The body of the jacket is made with breathable premium 9 ounces flame retardant (FR) cotton that self-extinguishes when exposed to fire, flames or sparks. The anti-static and anti-mildew coating of the fabric will provide protection and longevity. The chrome-plated metal snaps in each of the adjustable cuffs will protect the forearm and wrist from heat, sparks and spatter. The flip-up collar of this jacket will protect the neck from sparks, arc rays and spatter while welding. One can find a large inside pocket used for protected internal storage. It is a versatile jacket that can be used in all welding positions and process. The double-stitched seams of the jacket will enhance its durability and prevent it from rips and tears. All these features will make it used by professional fabricators regularly. It is suitable for chest size of 50-54 inches and sleeves of about 34 inches. The available sizes are from medium to 3XL. Number 4. Keylink Welding Jacket. Keylink is specialized in producing various leather products with best quality. This welding jackets are made with thick leather to provide maximum durability, comfort and lasts longer. This full coverage jacket is made with heat and flame resistant heavy-duty split cowhide leather to provide superior protection while you're welding. It is sewn with US Kevlar thread, stitched on both sides, that gives maximum strength and durability to the jacket. The inside pocket and soapstone pocket on each sleeve will provide extra storage for tools and cell phone. The adjustable collar allows you to use it either as stand-up collar for comfort and security or fully cover will protect your neck effectively. The buttons of this jacket are made with premium heavyweight heat-resistant metal. It is a multi-function jacket that not only meant to use for welding, but also it is ideal to use for blacksmithing, shipyards, steel mills, automotive, torch work, manufacturing, gas welding, woodworking, etc. Number 5. Keylink Welding Jacket. The BSX is one of the best welding equipment manufacturing company that produce jackets meeting all the safety for high safety and visibility. This BX9C model is a most affordable jacket used for welding purposes. It is specially designed to provide comfort and convenience to the welder and thereby allows for the free mobility of the user while performing the welding tasks. So, the welder can free to work with this 9 ounces flame-resistant cotton welding jacket. The collar with extended length coverage, adjustable cuff, scribe pockets and waist straps will ensure maximum coverage of the body like neck, wrists and hands, and thereby ensures the safety and protection against sparks, heat, fire and other dangerous rays. It is lightweight, durable and flexible, and looks stylish with black color with red trim and flames. It is not suitable for the heavy-duty welding tasks in a colder climate. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.